Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to remove the header from a specific WordPress page. Now before we start, I have to notify you that in order to access all the features in WordPress.com, you're gonna have to pay for a paid subscription. As you can see, I didn't pay for the subscription, but I'll guide you through the process verbally, and if you follow and listen to my instructions very carefully, you're gonna be able to remove the headers from WordPress page in no time. Now let's dive into these few steps together. The first step is to use the theme settings. Some themes allow you to hide header or specific pages. Just go to your WordPress account by going to wordpress.com and entering your account credentials. Once logged in, go to Appearances in the left sidebar right here next to the brush icon and click on Customize. After that, navigate to the header section and check for the visibility options. The second step is to use a plugin. Install a plugin like hide title or remove header from footer. You can do that by going to your dashboard, returning to your dashboard, and go to plugins right here next to the plug icon and click on it and search for hide title or title remover. Save hide title and search for it, and this is the one. Like I said before, installing plugins require a business plan like this one, so you're gonna have to pay for a subscription. Now once you install this plugin, configure it to remove header from the page you select. The third step is to add a custom CSS, and to do that, just go to Appearances and then Customize, and then go to Additional CSS. Now you're gonna have to upgrade to do this step right here. After you upgrade, add this code. I'm gonna write it, or you can search for it. Page.id XX. This is a slash, not a slash. It's one right here. Header and parentheses display 2 points none and you're gonna close the parentheses. Let's see right here. Yes, it's this code starting by yes, this one. It's code right here. After that, replace XX with the page ID, which you can find in the URL when editing the page. For additional tips, always preview changes to ensure your site still looks professional, and back up your site before making code edits. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you remove header from WordPress page. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.